Hey, welcome back to another video. You guys, I totally forgot to tell you that I was doing a KDP challenge. I was doing a KDP video challenge for you guys. So I started on December 6th and I've been posting a video every day of some type of KDP value, whether we're doing niche research or we are talking about how to make books profitable, and I would love your feedback through this KDP video challenge of what you would like to see. Because I'm doing this, I'm finding some really, really cool niches, and I'm having more ideas. And because you guys know I'm a digital marketer and I have an email list with many of you on there, my goal is to serve you guys before I publish books. So I had a client yesterday that was like, what do you do when you help someone find a way profitable niche and they're not interested in publishing in it? Do you publish in it? And to be honest, you guys, I have some profitable niches that I'm still going and publishing under that it's really not in, I don't really have the time to do it. Isn't that crazy? Some of you might be thinking you should hire it out. Maybe I should, but I'm primarily an online business coach. Like I'm primarily teaching people marketing strategies to make their books profitable. Or I just launched a course called Get Paid for Leads for people that were like building their email list. So, like at the end of the day, if these videos can help you find a niche that you're going to repeatedly publish in, then let me know. Put ideas in the comments here so I can really help you guys explode your KDP sales. So if you have ideas of future videos, what tutorials you would like, I would also love to see that in the comments. December is a really busy season, so for that purpose, I've just been doing a lot of screen sharing to show you profitable niches. But in January, I'm going to be going heavier and coming back on video when I have more time to sit and do that and set up this stuff. And so I'm grateful that you're here. Thank you for those of you that are just joining and you're learning about like, oh, Jenny is dropping a video every day for KDP niches. So you can get started. Always start with that journal or notebook so you have that brain switch in your head. And then, once you do that, you can lean into more niches or more books that can bring the profitability because you're adding more features into it. Okay. So thank you for being here and thank you for clicking like on every KDP video challenge I've been doing and for following daily. And let me know if you guys think I should keep doing daily, if they help you, these niches. And let's have fun. Let's dive into this video. Okay, so the profitable niche that we're researching today is jokes. And I bought joke books. I think I know who the YouTuber is that makes these joke books. They're so good. My kids love them. And I had these books in my house before I learned about KDP. So it really shows you how faceless you can go with these brands. And particularly the one that's coming up for me as I was doing some research about like what books do I have in my house that are self-published. I was even at a church activity today and I was talking to the lady who's in charge of all the kids. And when there is a baptism or like an event, she goes to Amazon and buys a book. And she gave my kids a self-published book. And it was so funny to me because those are people just like me and they can be people just like you. So in this video, we're sharing not only just like jokes, but dad jokes. Okay. Now this is a calendar, but it's showing up in the book department. And I wanted to show you that sometimes finding products that are not KDP are irrelevant for you having success. And what I mean by that is this keyword 2025, dad jokes, like that is something that is in demand. This is making $2,000 a day, right? And it could be up during Christmas time, but let's say it did that for 30 days. This is a $63,000 idea, okay, for KDP. Dad, I'm worried about my driving test. Don't worry, your parking skills are unparalleled. See, like just dad jokes, right? There's so many. and you could honestly use ChatGPT assisted to help you. When you use AI, make sure that you're going to it with good enough ideas so you get good enough results, because the computer's not actually a real person. Okay. For this, like eye rolling dad jokes, we have those in our house. So I wanted to show you that this taking something that is working really well, like they've even branched out into a calendar in addition to a box calendar, like this actually is a wall calendar, that there is a demand for stuff like this. Okay. And so just because you see it as not a self publisher, that doesn't mean anything. Literally, dad jokes are in demand, right? Like it's a thing that people want. Let's go to puns and wordplay. Okay, so inside of here, like we see dad jokes again. This book makes $500 a day. And so there's all these different things to do while you poo on the loo. Like silly, right? $500 a day to poo on the loo. You guys, hopefully this video doesn't it makes it past, the bad language. But you literally have so much opportunity, especially if you do this naturally. Like there's a lot of people that are just naturally funny, that this is a really fun niche to go after because it's not just jokes. You can go deeper with dad jokes. You can go like this one, cats, right? You can go deeper with just particular categories, right? Like potty mouth. This is not potty mouth, sorry. Potty humor. Like that Captain Underpants vibe. Okay. So this is also not as difficult as you think that it is. And let me show you an example, because you're not having to source images inside your literally written text. So you could do this in Canva with the automation, which if you want a video tutorial on that, drop that in the comments here, journal automation. What's happening is you see, these are just little, almost like coupons. Okay. And it's just for Christmas. So people are putting these in their stocking stuffers. Okay. And last but not least, dig into the niche deeper. See what else is doing well. And don't make the mistake of just copying somebody, because you actually can't copy. You can't copy that the historical data that it's almost 5 years old. You can't copy that it has 4,700 ratings, but it can give you the confidence to know that this niche is validated, right? This is 501 hilarious jokes and puns. Makes $233 a day. Okay. So if we do our math on that, and we have been selling a book 365, for a full year times 4, like this is a multiple 6-figure niche. Okay. This might not be their first book, right? This might be a book that took them some time, right? It's not even their most popular one, which is amazing, right? The Ultimate Bible and Church Joke Book. Looks like that's coming up for popularity. So go forth and publish and give yourself some leadway to learn what is actually working in the niche, and to even too, like if you want to be successful, you have to make some investments, and the investments are going to be your time to learn. Your investments are go buy this book for $8.95. And when you get the book home and you open it up, go through the pages and write down what you think is working. Write down what you think is not working, right? If you can't afford to spend $8.95, then go to the reviews and research what's not working in this book. Okay. When we see what's not working, that can actually give us clues what we can do to enhance the book. Okay. Did not like this book at all. The cover was correct. Inside the book was half size, half the book was cut off. Okay, so that might be some KDP issues. Jokes are okay, but the quality of the book was bad. It fell apart, disintegrated in the bathroom. Yeah, it's not a bathroom book, right? Not very original. Seems like they did a simple Google search and just smacked it into a book. I paid a tiny bit extra and got a better quality book. Okay, so make sure that the inside is powerful, right? Like make sure that you're actually proud of the book, right? And that it is something that you would buy yourself. In addition to that, like if you can't afford the $8.95 to do some market research, then you owe it to yourself to learn keyword research, because that really is the game changer here to finding a profitable niche and doing well repeatedly, right? Having multiple niches that give you that time freedom because they're selling weekly, monthly, or even daily. All right, let me know what else you'd like on our KDP challenge this month as I'm publishing daily. Your feedback, I value it so much. And you guys are my YouTube fam. I love you guys. See you in the next video.